Every holiday table needs to have a show-stopping ham, and today I'm sharing the one my family loves. It's sweet, it's sticky, it's glossy, and packed with warm spices. Let me show you how to make it. I'm starting off with a 10-pound spiral ham, perfect for soaking up all that glaze. We're not gonna use this, that's why I'm here, okay? If you want, you can lightly rinse the ham. I'm just gonna pat dry it. Put this to the side. Now we're gonna work on the dry rub. If you want extra flavor in every slices, this part is optional. But do you want extra flavor in every slices? Starting off with brown sugar. Now coming with cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and cloves. Onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, scotch bonnet powder. Combine. Now go ahead and preheat your oven at 300 degrees. This warms the ham perfectly without drying it out. So you're gonna open up the slices and add the mixture to it. To this, I'm gonna add some pineapple juice, all cloves, rosemary. So this is gonna create a flavorful steam that keeps the ham juicy and aromatic. Also, facing the ham cut side down prevents it from drying out, okay? Foil keep the moisture in while the flavors develop. Now we're gonna pack this in a preheat oven 300 degrees for 10 minutes per pound. So in total, I'm gonna eat this up for 1 hour and 40 minutes. This is a 10-pound ham, okay? Now it's time to make that sticky pineapple orange glaze. In a saucepan over medium-high heat, add a half cup of pineapple juice, sweet orange marmalade, pineapple reserve, brown sugar. I'm gonna add a little Dijon mustard because it helps balance the sweetness and it also make the extra glossy. Vinegar for the tanginess, apple cider vinegar. Add in some spices, clove, allspice, ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, onion powder, garlic powder, and scotch bonnet powder. Stir until the sugar melts and the glaze becomes thick. The bubbling means that the sugars are getting thickening and the glaze is getting glossy. Allow it to simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until it looks sticky and coats the back of the spoon. Taste and adjust to taste. Good. Now we're gonna crank up the heat to 350, okay? Remove some of the excess liquid because you want this to get caramelized, okay? This is the amount of glaze I got from the pan. As I said, you're not going to completely take out all of the liquid. But to make the glaze stick, you need less liquid in the pot. You want that nice caramelized ham, okay? Now we're gonna face it up so the glaze can go into the slices. Look at all those nice seasonings. Ooh, this ham is gonna taste like heaven. Now I'm gonna add the glaze. Ooh, nice and thick, like me. Ooh, baby. Put this in the oven for 15 minutes. We're gonna baste one more time. Back in the oven for another 15 minutes. So after the last 15 minutes, put it on broil for about 1 to 2 minutes, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. This is why I like spiral ham, because you could just take it out like this. Ooh. I don't want to manage to eat pork, you know, because this here ham here, I don't know some people wanna eat pork and eat ham and eat bacon. Some can go, sir. Oh my goodness. If you try it, let me know down in the comment section. I love to hear your feedbacks. Thanks for watching. The full recipe will be uploaded on my blog. Click the link in the bio, or I'm gonna leave it down in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys. Happy holidays.